Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to apply for an 11 to 5 Zip Oyster photo card online. This card gives free and discounted travel to children aged 11 to 15 across London Transport Network. To start, click on Apply Online, but make sure a parent or guardian is the one applying. Before applying, have these things ready: a passport style photo, a passport image, and a debit or credit card for the $15 fee. Click on Create Account if you haven't got one, or sign in if you do. Use a separate email for another Oyster accounts. Once logged in, follow the prompts to upload your child's photo and passport page. Make sure they meet the file size and format limits. If your child doesn't have a passport, the site will guide you to finish the process at a post office or TFL visitor center. After submission, your application is reviewed. If accepted, the zip card will arrive in about 2 weeks. Once received, your child can start traveling. Always stay in touch and out on yellow card readers. Only touch in on buses and trams. That's how to apply for the 11 to 5 Zip Oyster photo code. Like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thank you.